Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm kind of distraught at the moment because remember we were going to start at that $50 to $1,000 challenge. Yesterday I did some scalping. I basically took that $50 to around $200. Unfortunately, uh, the footage, I put it on a memory stick so that I can put it on my laptop for editing, for the video editing. Then I mistook that footage from yesterday to be old footage, so I accidentally deleted that footage of me scalping, uh, which is kind of an ish because I really looked forward to sharing that video. So I'm kind of not happy about that, but it happens. Things happen. But anyway, I'm hoping that from here I can basically show you what I did yesterday. It was Friday the 10th. Today is actually Saturday, so I've tried as much as I can to zoom out or to magnify so that you can see. So I'm hoping that you can see everything. So from with that $50, the first trade that I took was actually an $18 loss. Unfortunately, yeah, it happens with scalping. And so, but I quickly recovered with the $13 and $24 and $20, $13, $20, $30, 34 cents there and $11 there. So we had not exactly reached like $200 on the dot, but I think we're around about 195 or 192 thereabouts yesterday. So I thought I'll edit the video yesterday. Then something came up. I had to rush out of the house and go and address something. Then this morning, before I went to do my business, I thought let me do the footage again. Something came out and I had to rush out. When I came back and said let me do this footage and post it, I go ahead and I mistakenly deleted the footage. So yeah, but anyway, um, let me maybe leave you with something then. I know people who want to learn to trade fix. So I'm this is probably going to be also one of the last videos that I'm going to do showing you how to trade fix. You probably now have an idea of how I trade VIX75. So maybe that's why people are no longer watching the videos. At the start, people were watching the videos, but nowadays I think the past few videos, people are not just watching the videos, which is somebody might ask, no, so what? Because I still have maybe a couple of you guys who still watch the videos, which is good, and I appreciate that. But you know what you want to do when you are teaching and you are sharing your knowledge, you are hoping that you are able to reach as many people as you can. Like maybe if you can reach 1,000 people and stuff like that. Unfortunately, it hasn't been happening with past few videos, so I don't know what people are looking for, the information that people are looking for. Maybe people, not everyone trades Volatility 75 and other synthetic indices. Maybe that's why. Maybe people want to learn more about NAS 100, US 30, German 40, and things like that. And people are not too keen to trade synthetic indices. I've just been thinking about it as well. Not today. It's actually before this video. A couple of videos ago, I've actually just been thinking maybe whether I should continue with these challenges or whether I should try and find another thing maybe that people watch, because there's no use like taking your time out to create these videos hoping that you're going to be teaching people and then you realize that only maybe 100 people. I do appreciate the 100 people that watch the previous videos, but then you see that it's only 100 people that are watching the videos, where previously people might be like 2,000 people would watch the videos. Now it's less than 100 and stuff like that. So you realize maybe people are not interested in these synthetic indices. So maybe on that point, maybe this will be the last video on VIX75. I don't know, maybe I'll do future videos just sharing tips, but not sharing this strategy. Maybe that's why. So I don't know, but it also just by accident also became a video where I actually lost my footage. So maybe it's just me who is just being sad. But yeah, I don't know what people want me to teach about, or what people enjoy watching, what people want to learn about. If there's anything that you want me to share knowledge on, or anything that you want me to teach about, leave your thoughts, your comments in the comment section below. When I started these channels, my goal was to teach people about my own experiences and the things that I've found during trading. So there's really no use for me to be just talking alone and only a few people watch the videos. Again, I do appreciate the few people that watch the videos, but if you notice on this channel, probably more than 6,000 subscribers, but then you get only maybe 50, 100 people watching the videos. Then you realize maybe the subject that you are talking about, many people are not interested in that. But anyway, I'm not closing the channel or anything like that. The channel will always be here, but maybe I'm going to try as much to find out what exactly do people want me to talk about, so that there is value to this channel. If you are going to watch the channel, at least you must find value. You cannot, like, maybe I'm continuing to talk about synthetic indices when people don't trade those. People want the mainstream indices. Maybe if I can maybe try to focus on that. So yeah, we'll see. But otherwise, you get my strategy, you get an understanding of how I basically trade VIX75. So yeah, I don't know, let's make this for now, yeah, I think let's make it for now the last synthetic indices video. Maybe I'll look into mainstream indices for now. Maybe we'll see whether people want to watch those videos, or are people interested in those videos. But the videos are always going to be here for people who want to go back and see the strategy, how I trade. I use the same strategy to trade VIX, booming crash, and also Forex, if you go into my Forex trading channel. So yeah, otherwise guys, I hope I'll see you in the next videos. Everything that you might want to know is in the description box below, so visit the description below. You'll find everything that you want to know about me and my trading. Otherwise guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.